And the category is high-end DIY. Because why settle for basic when you can have this designer-inspired style for under $10? Keep on watching. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? I hope that you are doing well. Let's jump right to it. I created this high-end looking DIY ottoman for only $10. So here's where it all started. Literally just a wood board, 4 thrifted legs, and a piece of fabric I scored for really cheap. Nothing fancy, no pre-made stool, just the raw basics. And step by step, I transformed it into this upholstered cheetah ottoman. The key here is choosing fabric that screams high-end. That bold print plus a soft texture instantly elevates it. What I love about this piece is that it doubles as a fashion for the home and practical decor. It works like extra seating, a chic footstool, or even a side table with a tray on top. Think of it like styling an outfit. The ottoman is your accessory that makes the whole room feel designer. Cheetah print is back in fashion, not just on the runway, but inside our houses, as you can see by the luxury dupe Dolce & Gabbana lamp that I did a few videos back. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it down below. Go back and watch it. You will not be disappointed. If this is your first time here, my name is Maria. I go by a talented Latina. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And always comment, guys. I love your comments. Keep them coming. Stay to the end for a special giveaway prize. And guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and enter the giveaway. I am announcing the winner October 1st. Instructions to enter the giveaway are down below. It's free and there's a pretty neat prize at the end of it. And everybody gets a free bonus. So it's a win-win situation. So the trend is maximalism. A lot of fashion houses are forecasting maximalism for all of the hottest trends going forward for 2025 and for 2026. In the fashion industry, we always work a year ahead. I am here to give you a little bit of an inside scoop as to what's to come. Animal print has always been a statement of bold luxury. Well, and I'm expanding the Dolce & Gabbana leopard collection into other pieces that are not necessarily in their collection but can sit with that designer lamp dupe that we did a couple of videos back. When you have a certain theme in your house, you just don't want one piece. You know, you can have that one piece, but you always want the coordinating pieces, the little touches that make your theme intentional and not just a one-off. It makes your house look exclusive. It makes your house look very trendy. It makes your house look designer, and it makes your home look high-end. But we don't have to do that and spend thousands of dollars. I'm going to teach you how to do this by thrifting and by Dollar Treeing, by going to Tres, by going to the thrift stores, and by using a little bit of grit and your imagination. Bold patterns, rich textures, and statement pieces. Leopard and cheetah patterns aren't just trendy. They're timeless pieces of confidence and edge. Instead of dropping hundreds or thousands of dollars on designer pieces, I wanted to prove to you that you can create the same look with just a few supplies and a little creativity with items that you probably already have inside your home. You don't have to have your whole house filled with cheetah print. We're not trying to look like a zoo. We're not trying to look like the jungle. We're trying to just elevate the space with pieces that people would see on the runway or in fancy magazines. And you can do that with touches. You can have, I like to do it like this. I like to have a piece of wall art or a frame, or both. You can have a frame on the table, you can have a piece of wall art, a mirror, a lamp, an ottoman, a vase, some candle holders, a tray, and things like that. Things that accent the pieces. It doesn't have to be a piece of furniture. It can be a pillow. It can be any small piece that can just add that little bit of touch and elevate that space. And these are so affordable that you can actually change them when the trends change. This is proof that you don't need a designer budget to get a designer look. A little imagination, a bold fabric choice, and $10 later, you've got yourself a statement piece that feels straight out of a high-end showroom. If you love this project, make sure you subscribe for more luxury DIY dupes, because I've got a whole collection coming your way. So I've been a designer for over 30 years, and my job has always been about more than just making pretty things. It's about creating experiences. Whether I'm designing fashion, building out a home trend, or finding that next statement piece, my goal is simple: to take the ordinary and transform it into something extraordinary. I love when I get messages with people telling me, or comments with people telling me, hey, I'm going to try this. I get so excited because I feel that I feel like I inspired somebody, and that's such a great feeling. And it's so therapeutic when you create something from scratch, or when you create something, when you DIY it, or even upcycle something. It's very therapeutic, and when you see that finished product, the smile and the self-satisfaction that you get is just worth all of it. So if you love this ottoman project, I've put together a free fall, winter, and holiday home looks and trend guide. It's packed with inspiration. It's packed with so much inspiration, guys, and looks to bring your home to the next level. It is totally free as a thank you for helping me reach my 1K subscribers, and guys, we're almost at 5K. So I just am so grateful to you all that I really want you to have this. Please go and download it. I put the description down below. It is a beautiful guide that I worked really hard on. They are original pieces inspired by the hottest trends going into fall and holiday. It will only be there for a limited time, so go ahead and make sure that you download it. From scraps of wood, thrifted legs, and a piece of leopard fabric, there you have a designer inspired ottoman that looks like it came out of a designer showroom. Again, if this project inspired you, don't forget to subscribe and hit like, and guys, send me your comments. I really want to know what you think of this project. Thank you guys for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.